All right, the muddy Mississippi behind me, you all. As you can see right there. Got the Bass Pro right there. Got the bike trail out here. So I was trying to get some really good drone shots, but I guess that didn't work out. Got to do some IMU calibrations, but I'll be back out here again soon. So definitely look forward to showing you all something at least before it gets really, really cold and starts snowing out here. Well, just know some drone shots will be coming to the channel. So I will be posting some content on there. Just some basic drone shots. I want to capture the water, capture the pyramid, and over here on this side of the bridge and get some shots. So I don't want to cause any accidents or anything, so definitely want to be careful. See part of the bike trail right here, the Big River bike trail. Goes to the old bridge way over there. And this is the new bridge here going over into Memphis. So definitely look forward to send y'all a couple of shots on the channel, so keep your eye out for that coming up soon. Just got to do some calibration on my drone to get it to work, but we'll be back with you soon.